Hey, booze. Oh my goodness. What are we talking about today? Today is day 10. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? This time is flying by. Oh my goodness. All right. So let's talk about it. Today's task is to make a productivity playlist. I know, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, look, today we're going to be focusing on the power of music and how music can help boost our overall mood and impact our creativity and, all those good things, right? So, creating a playlist can be the perfect way to help you stay motivated all day long. Did you know that music has the power to bring out strong emotions in us and energize us and calm us down when we're feeling overwhelmed and even help us stay productive? Did you know that? Look, researchers showed that listening to music while working can actually boost your focus and productivity as well as reduce your stress levels. So let's talk about some tips about doing this. Okay, so what types of music should be on your playlist? Well, when it comes to creating your productivity playlist, you'll want to pick songs that motivate you, that keep you focused. Okay, consider maybe including upbeat music or energizing, energy driven tunes, or even maybe some slower ones that, calming songs and things like that when you need to take a break. Additionally, you'll want to maybe have an assortment of genres just to kind of spice it up so it's not boring. But the key is to do stuff that motivate you. All right. So next, what about an ideal workspace for listening, right? This is key too, because you want to be in an area that's conducive for productivity, right? So finding your ideal workspace for listening to your productivity playlist is key. Okay, look for a quiet, distraction-free area where you can, where you can focus and be productive. Consider this. Consider this. Turn off social media notifications and silencing your phone so that you don't get distracted by doing that. I know that's going to be a struggle for a lot of us because our phones are like hermetically sealed to our hands, right? But you could do it. All right. So here's some other tips. You might want to create a custom playlist for special projects or hobbies or whatever if you want to use it to stay motivated. Consider incorporating music with activities, like special activities, right? So like if you're working out, you might want you might have you know, for example, your Beyonce mix. Okay. If that'll just get you going, there you go. That's like your workout playlist or something like that. For me, I have to tell you, for me it's jazz. I know. You're like, jazz? Yeah, I love that genre. I love listening to jazz. And so for me, I would have jazz or maybe even spa music. I know that will put other people to sleep, but that just energizes me because it's just so good. So the key is choose whatever it is that you like. Okay. All right. So here are my final thoughts. Creating a playlist like this can help you stay motivated all day long. Choose songs that energize you, okay? And keep you focused and reduce your stress levels. Additionally, you want to find a good workspace where you don't have as many distractions so that you can stay focused on the work. All right, so our homework today is create your own playlist, right? Look, on the guide today is day 10. I got it right there. You can put all the things that you like, write the notes. What about those songs, make you energized? I remember, oh my goodness, I used to have a sales director that I used to, when we went to sales meeting, in order to get the crowd pumped up, we had like a playlist of things that we would play. And it was like motivating music and things like that to kind of get you ready and pumped for the day, right? You could do something like that for you, right? I'm just saying, it really does help. It really does help calm you down. It helps keep you focused, keep you motivated. So this is going to be our homework so we can go ahead and get this playlist going here. Okay. So, oh my goodness, I'm hoping that you're loving this. I'm hoping that you're loving this. And oh my goodness, I know some of you are looking like, oh my God, that is so cool. Where'd you get the guide? I'm glad you asked. Look, you can get your own version of this guide by going to lbcbranding.link/productivity. Yes, yes, it is a 31-day productivity guide. Every single day there's something new, and we are out here in these internet streets doing all the things. We're going through it page by page, activity by activity, so that we can get our productivity on. All right. So if you want to join in on the reindeer games or the fun, go ahead and pick up yours today. The other thing I would love for you to do is to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that bell notification so that you don't miss anything. Oh my goodness. What are we talking about tomorrow? Tomorrow, we're talking about something else tomorrow. So thank you for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video.